Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important guys marathon session over advanced math. I welcome you guys in this very important advanced math marathon session. Please do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well, guys. Do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. Okay, so today is the Thursday, and this is my session today, the long session. This is my session today, guys, the extended version of 5 to 7. Okay, so today we are going to take it as an extended version of 5 to 7. So we are going to extend this session and do lot of practice, lot of important, lot of unique questions of advanced math. And do lot of important questions, unique questions of advanced math, guys. Okay. Hello Mandhana, hello Vinod, very good afternoon dear. Srivani, very good afternoon. Just do one thing, guys, kindly do share across WhatsApp groups as well, across Telegram groups as well, so that others can also join us. The PDFs is going to be provided to you very soon of all the sessions. The PDF is going to be provided to you very soon, guys, across your telegrams. Hello Haris, good evening. Good evening, dear. Good evening, all of you. So I think that is the last question what we have done. Today we are beginning with this. Okay. Good evening, Charlie. Just keep on sharing, guys. Just keep on sharing. Gopinath, good evening. Keep on sharing across telegrams as well, guys. It is a marathon session. Questions of 2019 CGL. Questions of 2019 CGL, 2020 CGL, and 2020-21 CGL is going to come. Advanced portion, guys, back to back. So you can feel the importance. A triangle with sides, the bisector of the larger angle. The larger angle is opposite to the largest side. The larger angle is opposite to the largest side. So if 8 is the largest side, the larger angle is this. The larger angle is A. The larger angle is opposite to the largest side. And the largest angle divide the opposite side into two segments. So angle bisector divide the opposite side. Angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of adjacent sides. 6:7. The shorter segment is definitely BD, which is 6 by 6 plus 7, 13 of 8. Because total is 8. The shorter segment is definitely 6 by 13 of 8, which is coming as 48 by 13. Clear? I was missing some answers. Dear. Angle bisector theorem. Guys. Very important. Very important. It says the angle bisector AD, will will divide the BD and DC, in the ratio of the adjacent sides AB ratio AC. One question fixed. Yeah. The AD is the angle bisector. AD is the angle bisector. It will divide the opposite side BD and DC in the ratio of the adjacent sides AB and AC. AB and AC. Let's move on. Next. Please scroll the comments little bit up. Yeah, it's sufficient. Three concentric circles, radius 4, 5, 7. Concentric means same center. Concentric, same center, concentric. Their radius are 4, 5, and 7. 2019. What is the ratio of area between the two inner circles and the ratio of the area between the two outer circles? So this area is bigger radius minus middle radius, that is pi, capital 7 ka square minus 5r square. And this small area is pi 5 ka square minus 4 ka square. Pi 4 ka square, 5 ka square minus 4 ka square. Pi has no importance. 49 minus 25 over 25 minus 16. It is 24 ratio. Have I written everything correctly now? What is the ratio between the two inner? Okay. So inner will come first. Okay. This is 9. So 3 8 ja, 3 3 ja. So inner and outer. This was outer and inner. So outer and inner was 8:3. So inner and outer is going to be 8:3. 3:8, sorry. Perfect. Clear to all? Everyone, please do let me know once. Perfect. Let's move on to the third question of day, because it's over 50. It's over 55. It can be over 60 as well. Okay. You can learn a lot of things, guys, from today's session only. Last session. In triangle ACE. B and D are the points on AC and CE. Such that BD is parallel to A. Question from similarity, guys. From where? Similarity of triangles. AE is 8/3 of BD. So AE over BD is in the ratio 8:3. AE over BD is in the ratio 8:3. Triangle BCD is similar to triangle ACE. Okay. So their corresponding sides is in the ratio 3:8. Their corresponding side is in the ratio 3:8. So if the corresponding side is in the ratio 3:8, then BDE, then BDC area, BCD area is 3 chi square 9, and AEC bigger area is 8 chi square 64. What was it? I had huge expectations from it, but it was just nothing. I was having some good expectation from it, but later on it turned out to be nothing. Okay. I was just planning, I was drawing the diagram with a lot of hope that something good would be asked, but eventually in the last, nothing was there. Okay. So, side is in the ratio 3:8, so area is side ka square, so 3 chi square 9, 8 chi square 64. 3 chi square 9, 8 chi square 64. Let's move on. I was drawing a huge expectations that it would be a great one, something. The appearance of 19 questions, 20 questions, 21 questions are different. That is why I'm writing it very bluntly. Okay? Because 3 different sources are merged today. Someone was typing 19 questions, someone was typing 20 questions, someone was typing 21 questions. So 3 different PPT formats is going to come. And you will also start assuming, okay, which is from which year. You will also start getting, okay, which is from which year. Huge amount of hard work is running, guys, in the background. Huge amount of hard work. You know, 3 different years, it means a lot. Okay. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Diagonals intersect at P. Diagonals intersect at P. AB is equal to BC. What is the job of equal sides? The job of equal sides is equal angle. Hello Harika, good evening. The job of equal sides is equal angle. The job of equal sides is equal angle. Angle DBC is given as 70. And angle BAC is 30. If this is 30, equal sides, so this is also 30. Equal sides, equal sides. Okay. Now, what is PCD? Let's suppose this is theta. So can I say chord AD as subtended theta at C? So it will also subtend theta over here. Angle in the same segment of the circle are equal. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes and see this AD arc has subtended theta here. So it will subtend theta over here as well. So it will subtend theta over here as well. Look at this pattern. Look at this pattern over. This triangle is complete. This triangle is complete. Apply all sum is equal to 180. So 30 plus 30 plus 70 plus theta is equal to 180. 130 plus theta is 180. Theta is 50. What a great question. What a great question. Keep it up, dear. Keep it up. Have you done the shearings, my dears? Have you done the shearings, my dear? It is looking very, what do you say? Constant kind of, which is a good thing. Which is a good thing. Constantness is also a great thing. Well done. Well done. Let's move on. Just look at the options. Just look at the options. Can you get the answer by putting the value of theta? Can you get the answer by putting the value of theta? For 45, it will give a different value. It will give a different value. Here it is plus, here it is minus. It will give a different value. It will give a different value. So for 45, all of them will give a different value. So why not go for theta is equal to 45? At 45, sine and cos are equal. At 45, sine and cos are equal. So 1 upon sine 45, 1 by root 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2 minus 1. 1 upon 2 by root 2 minus 1. 1 upon root 2 minus 1. Rationalize. Rationalize by root 2 plus 1. Rationalize by root 2 plus 1. Do the rationalization by root 2 plus 1. So it will become root 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1, 1. So on theta is equal to 45. On theta is equal to 45. Whoever will give root 2 plus 1 is your answer. On theta is equal to 45. Whoever will give root 2 plus 1 is your answer. Sec 45 root 2. Tan 45 1. Root 2 minus 1 no. Root 2 plus 1 yes. This is root 2 into 1 no. And this is root 2 into 1 by root 2 1 no. C is the answer. C is the answer. What is the answer, guys? C is the answer. Hello, Vikramaditya, Dhani, Dhali, Gopinath, Charlie, Vinod, Ivan, Harish, Mandhana, Harika, every one of you. So great to have you. At any point of time, guys, whenever you want to ask the concept of anything, you are always free to ask. You are always free to ask. I will take a detailed version of it. I will take a detailed version of it. Please do some more sharings, guys. This session is very, very important for you as well as for us. Here we are going to cover, guys, 50 plus advanced problems. Most of the problems in your exam will come from these sessions only. Most of the problems in your exam will come directly from here. Most of the problems in your exam will come directly from here. Square and equilateral triangle has equal perimeter. Square perimeter 4a. An equilateral triangle perimeter, let's suppose 3 capital A. So 4 small a is equal to 3 capital A. The diagonal is 12 root 2. If diagonal is 12 root 2, then side is 12. Then side is 12. So side of a equilateral triangle is 16. The side of a equilateral triangle is 16. Side of a equilateral triangle is 16. What is the area of a triangle? Root 3 by 4a square. What is the area of a equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4a square. Root 3 by 4, 16 cross 16, which is 64 root 3. Which is 64 root 3, guys. What is the answer? 64 root 3. Any doubts whatsoever? Any doubts whatsoever? From the diagonal, you can very clearly say if diagonal is 12 root 2, then side is 12. From a diagonal, if diagonal is 12 root 2, then side is 12. Because for a square, if side is a, then diagonal is a root 2. For a side, if a square is a, then diagonal is a root 2. A root 2 is 12 root 2, so a is 12. Over, and let's move on. Please maintain the count as well, dear. Please maintain the count as well. Okay. I personally believe that all the concept of advanced math will come at least once today. Yeah. Most of the concept of advanced math will come at least today. Whatever you feel important, guys, please never hesitate in writing it. Whatever you feel important, please don't hesitate in writing it. 𝐶𝐶. From center to the tangents, this is radius. Radius and tangents make 90 degree. Radius and tangent make 90 degree. 90, 90, 180. So this is 108. To make 180 over here as well. To make 180 over here as well. What is AQB? Now, if this arc AB has subtended 108 at the center, it will subtend its half 54 degree at the circumference. It will subtend 54 its half at the circumference. Okay. So two properties used over here. First, OAPB is a quadrilateral. OAPB is a quadrilateral. So these two 180. So these two also 180 degree. OAPB is a quadrilateral. These two 180. These two also 180. Then arc AB has subtended 108 at the center. Then it's half 54 degree at the circumference. Over. Every one of you have done it correctly. Next. I think this is the font provided by the 2020 guy. Yeah. So, three different fonts will come. One is being provided by the typist who I sent the papers for 2020. One is provided by the typist who I sent the papers for. However, there can be one or two typo errors. You have to like compensate for it. Yeah. Mostly, hardly anyone will come. Hardly anyone will come, but still. देखो, here it is. A cube plus B cube divided by A plus B. A cube plus B cube divided by A plus B. A cube plus B cube divided by A plus B. The answer is A square minus AB plus B square. Where definitely this is your A, this is your B, this is your A cube, this is your B cube. So what is the answer? A square 2 root 2x ka square minus AB 2 root 2x into 3 root 3y plus B square 3 root 3y ka whole square. If you want to skip this, you can. But since we are doing it, we are learning the things, so we can do it once more. 4 to ja 8x square minus 6 root 6 xy plus 9 3 ja 27 y square. So capital A is x, capital A is 8, capital B is 27, and capital C is minus 6 root 6. 2 into 8 minus 3 into 27 minus 2 root 6 into minus 6 root 6. Okay? 16 minus 81 plus 12 into 6. This is my dear 72. 72 is 82, 88. 88 minus 81, 7 is the answer. 88 minus 81, 7 is the answer, guys. 7 is the answer. Well done, Gopinath, Mandhana, Vikram, Aditya, Harley, and everyone else. Vikram, Aditya, and Harley, everyone else. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? CGL 2020. CGL 2020 Advanced Math Problem. You can draw the pattern, what comes in the examination, what does not comes in the examination. pretty easily by carefully doing the questions, by carefully observing the questions, by carefully doing the questions and by carefully observing the problems. Two things to be noted down is a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. But we can use it as well as a plus b. But we can use this as well and a plus b ka whole square minus 3ab. Both usage we can do. Hello Raghav. Both usage we can do. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, or a plus b ka whole square minus 3ab. Similarly, a cube minus b cube. Similarly, a cube minus b cube is a minus b. A square plus ab plus b square. This is also one of the use. And another use is a minus b ka whole square plus 3ab. One question you can expect from here as well. One question you can expect from here as well, okay? From a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. I will try to give guys everything. I will try to give everything in today's session. With the questions, some of you can revise the theories as well. Next. Total surface area of the cone. For cone, there are three formulas. For cone, there are three formulas. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Curved surface area is pi r l, where L is the slant height. And total surface area is pi r plus L. For cone, there are three formulas. One is volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. Another is curved surface area pi r l. And another is total surface area pi r l plus r. Volume is given as 600 pi. So 600 pi is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1800 is equal to r square into h. Now we know about the radius as well, because if diameter is 30 then radius is 15. 1800 is equal to 15 cross 15 into h. 5 3 ja 15, 60. It's I think 120 times, it's 8 times. So height is 8. Height is 8. 8 na? Height is 8. So 8, 15, 17. Height is 8. Radius is 15. So slant height is 17. Because 8, 15, 17 is a right angle triangle. 8, 15, 17 is a right angle triangle. What is the total surface area of the cone? Pi r L plus r. Pi into r L plus r. 15 plus 17. 15 pi into 32, which is I think 480 pi. It was a great question. It was a good one. It was a good one, guys. It was a good one. You cannot check the multiples as well, because pi is given in the question as well. You can't check the multiple as well because pi is given in the question as well. So 480 pi is the answer. What is the answer? 480 pi. Very, very good use of formulas. Huge use of formulas. Effective use of formulas. Let's move on. This font is looking for 2020. Okay, radius was 15. Yeah, you can check, but 15 is not prime. Yeah, but you can check. But you can check. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. AC is 29. Hypotenuse is 29. 20, 21, 29 is a triplet. 20, 21, 29 is a very famous triplet, my dear. 20, 21, 29 is a very famous triplet. Cot C. Cot C. For C angle, this is base, this is perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. For C, guys, the side lying below the angle is called as base, and the side opposite to the angle is being called as perpendicular. Cosec, hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse is already 29, perpendicular is 20. 10A. Okay, now for A, guys, for A, this side will act as a perpendicular and this will act as a base. For A, this is act as perpendicular and this act as base. So for A, 21 is the perpendicular and 20 is the base. So you are really worried about the LCM, but guys, the denominator is everywhere 20. The denominator is everywhere 20, so just don't worry about it. It's 50 by 20. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Come on, tell me. So this A taken care. For A, this side will act as a perpendicular. For A, the side in front will act as a perpendicular and this will act as a base. Yeah. For A, this side will act as a perpendicular and this will act as a base. So you have to take care of this point while putting the values. While putting the values, you have to take care of this point. '21 questions have not started coming, but they will also begin very soon. 2021 questions will also begin coming very soon in between. Okay, which year questions you are liking the most? Which year questions you are facing the trouble? I think it's not a genuine competition as of now because 2021 has not taken the entry. Once 2021 will take the entry, then I will ask you that who is the best, 2019, 2020 or 2021? Angle BAQ is total is 125. PQ is the diameter. PQ is the diameter. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Diameter subtends 90 degree at the circumference. So this total is 125. Total is 125. So BAQ 90, then this is 35 remaining. Now comes alternate segment theorem. Alternate segment theorem says whatever is the angle made by a tangent and a chord, the same angle is going to be made by the chord at any other point in the on the circumference in the major segment 35. Alternate segment theorem. So if this angle is 35, it will subtend 35 here as well. It will subtend 35 here as well. I will draw its theorem as well for the any newcomer. 90, 35. So remaining is 55, I think. Yeah. 55, 80, 90, 90, 180. The theorem is tangent and a chord, if subtend an angle of theta, then this chord will subtend theta at any other point on the circumference. Then this tangent will subtend, or this chord will subtend, this chord AB will subtend theta at any other point in the segment. It is called as alternate segment theorem, AST. AST, synonymous to SST. Okay, let's move on. I think entry of 2021. Entry of 2021, guys. Entry of 2021. A different typist. This is a creation of a different typist. You can feel it. The length of diagonal of a square is a plus b. You know, for a general square whose side is a, the diagonal is a root 2. Now make this a different. So basically I can say a root 2. A root 2 is equal to a plus b. So side of the square is a plus b by root 2. Side of the square is a plus b root 2. Side of the square is a plus b root 2. Okay. Side of a square is a plus b root 2. Now, what is the area of a square? Side ka square. So the square is a plus b by root 2 ka whole square. Just do it. Just do it. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab divide by 2. So it is a square plus b square divide by 2 plus ab. B. B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer, guys. I hope none of you would be having any kind of doubt in it, because it's tremendously easy. It's tremendously easy. However, innovation is there. Innovation is there. Something new is there. A new variety is there. A kind of a reform is there, which is absolutely very important. Which is absolutely very important. Okay, dear. You can't put the values. You can't assume the values. 3 equations, 3 variables. Each and every value is fixed. 3 equation, 3 variable, each and every value is fixed. You cannot assume the values. Multiples you can't check. Smartest of the smartest. Smartest of the smartest guys can also not check the multiples. Just a moment. Let me confirm my point. Can be checked. Can be checked in the smartest of the smartest case. Can be guys, can be in the smartest of the smartest case. Okay. Is the answer is the answer is this? Yeah, Gopinath. देखो guys, how it is coming. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z का whole square minus 3 times of xy plus yz plus zx. Okay. And this is the identity for minus 3xyz. This is the identity for minus 3xyz. So if I find out this value, then plus 3xyz will also come. And 1xyz is given in the extra. So can I say this is a multiple of x plus y plus z? This is a multiple of x plus y plus z. And this is a multiple of xyz. And this is a multiple of xyz. Yeah, this is a multiple of x plus y plus z. Now this should be, guys, a common multiple. If both of them are common multiple, then we can say, okay, if this is a multiple of 3, this is also a multiple of 3, then both should be a multiple of 3. Yeah? If this is a multiple of 3, this is also a multiple of 3, then we can say both should be a multiple of 3. Luckily, this is given as 18, multiple of 9. Yeah? And xyz is also given as 81, a multiple of 9. So we can check, answer should be a multiple of 9. Smartest of the smartest kind of move. Yeah, smartest of the smartest kind of move. Okay, so 5 plus 6, 7 gone. 18 answer. 10 gone. 8 gone. How many of you have done this? How many of you have done this? Okay, great move, great move, great move, great move. Yeah, I was initially thinking that it would not be possible, but when I apply some brains, I got to know, yeah, it is possible. It is possible. It is possible. Those who will do it completely, they will also not require too much of effort. X plus y plus z is known. 18 ka square is, I think, 324 minus 3 times of 90. It's over and out. 4 times of x plus y plus z. It's over and out, guys, just after in a single step. 18, 270, 30, 30, 40, 54 plus 4 into 81. So unit digit of 2 from here, unit digit of 4 from here, so unit digit of 6. Answer. Perfect. Perfect. So kind of 1/3 of the session is over. The 1/3 of the session is over. Let's move to the second half of the session. Stay motivated, guys. Stay positive. Stay motivated. Stay positive, and keep on sharing, guys. Keep on sharing. Sharing is at most important to us at this moment. Yeah, sharing is at most important to us at this moment of time. Any square is becoming 0 means it's individually 0. Any square is equal to 0 means it's individually 0. So a plus b is 2. B plus C is 5 and C plus A is 5. So B plus C is 5, 5 की power A plus C plus A is also 5, 5 की power B minus 1. 5 की power A, 5 की power B minus 1. So A and B are also required. A and B are also required, adding all the three equations. So 2 times of A plus 2 times of B plus 2 times of C is 12. So A plus B plus C is 6. To find out the value of A, B plus C is required. B plus C is 5. So A comes out to be 1. To find out the value of B, A plus C is required. A plus C is also 5. So B is also equal to 1. A plus C is also 5. So B is also equal to 1. So 5 की power 1 plus 5 की power 1 minus 1. 10 minus 1 root 9, 3. CGL is also an innovative board. It do some innovations. Yeah? Isn't it? I always say, guys, that CGL is the second best in India for the advanced math. Yeah. Ssc Cgl has the second best collection of advanced math in India. Okay. So you cannot compromise with the advanced math. Its weightage is increasing tremendously. Yeah. Its weightage is increasing tremendously. And even the good variety of questions is coming at pre only. So that is also not possible that you can sit in the examination without preparing for advance, It happens only in CGL before 2016. Okay, next. It is also a complete question, guys. You will just love this question. When you solve it completely. It's tremendously mind-blowing. It's tremendously awesome. But there is a loophole. The loophole is that these values can be remembered. They are 6, 9, and 4. They are 6, 9, and 4. 9 into 4, 36. 6 ka square, 36. So 9 plus 6 plus 4 is also 19. And this is also satisfied. So if the same question comes, guys, you can say, sir, the difference between Z and X is 9 and 4, 5. Okay, this set you can remember for a long period of time. Otherwise, you have to completely do it and it would be a fun. Otherwise, if you do it completely, it would be a great fun. But this set you can also remember. XZ is equal to Y square. That is 9 into 4 is 6 square. This, that. Next. You have to do it completely. Other approach was, Harika, the fourth property. Apply the fourth property. Apply the fourth property or the first property. We will take it later on. We will take it. x square plus 1 upon x square is 194 plus 2 का square root 14. X plus 1 upon x is 14 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16. X plus 1 upon x is 4. X plus 1 upon x is 4. On decreasing the power once and on decreasing the power again, x plus 1 upon x is 4. So x plus 1 upon x is 4. Then x square plus 1 is equal to 4x. What they are asking? They are asking x square plus 4 minus 4x. So can I put x square minus 4x as minus 1 if you don't mind? Can I put x square minus 4x as minus 1 if you don't mind? So x square minus 4x plus 4, and I'm putting x square minus 4x as minus 1 plus 4, 3. Ultimate question. Ultimate question, guys. Ultimate. Look at the degradation and upgradation once. Look at the degradation and upgradation once. If x plus 1 upon x is a, then x square plus 1 upon x square is a square minus 2. And x cube plus 1 upon x cube is a cube minus 3a. This is the increment of the power. This is the increment of the power. What about the decrement? The decrement is if x square plus 1 upon x square is b, then x plus 1 upon x is under root of b plus 2. And from x square plus 1 upon x square, you can write x minus 1 upon x as well, which is under root of b minus 2. This is the decrement of the power. This is the decrement of the power. Decrement of the power with the same sign, add 2. Decrement of the power in the negative. Decrement of the power in the negative, subtract 2, take under root. Decrement of the power in the negative, subtract 2, take under root. Increasing, square, so square minus 2. Cubing, a cube minus 3a. A cube minus 3a, okay? So these are some of the things. One more thing, guys, which I want to share with you is that if x plus 1 upon x is a, then x minus 1 upon x is under root of a square minus 4. It will definitely come this year. It will definitely come this year. Or you can say if x minus 1 upon x is b, then x plus 1 upon x is going to be under root of b square plus 4. Next. This is a different typing. So CGL 2020, I think. In a circle with center O, AB is the diameter. And ABC is 34. So take C somewhere over here. Take T somewhere over here. Take C somewhere over here. To make it 34, not to maintain 34, to maintain 34. An angle CB is equal to BD. Where is D? So CD is the chord. CD is a chord. अब D के लिए एक प्रॉब्लम है to assume it on the same side or to assume it on the opposite side. I am doing it opposite. Because they have not said anything. They have not said anything, so I can assume it anywhere. CD is equal to BD. CD is equal to BD. Chalo. What is measure of DBC? What is measure of DBC? CD is equal to BD. This angle is theta and this is also theta. This angle is theta and this is also theta. Okay. This total is theta, this is also theta. Only one thing is remaining to make use of the diameter. To make use of the diameter, I am joining this line. To make use of diameter, I am joining this line. Diameter will subtend 90. Diameter will subtend 90. Diameter will subtend 90 degree. Okay. Now, if this is total is theta, then this is, I think, theta minus 34. Theta minus 34, 90. 90. And this BD chord has subtended theta here. So it will subtend theta here as well. This triangle is complete. This triangle is complete, my dear. So you will say, sir, theta plus 90 plus theta minus 34 is 180. So 2 theta, 90 will cancel out 90. 2 theta is 90 plus 34. So 2 theta is 124, theta is 61, 62. They are asking angle DBC and DBC is theta minus 34 and DBC is theta minus 34. 62 minus 34 is, I think, 12 minus 4, 8, 28. Anyone done it correctly? Anyone done it correctly? Lot of you. Lot of you. Have you got it, guys, everyone? Or do I need to repeat it? Perfect. Perfect. Diameter subtending 90 degree at the circumference. And if BD chord has made theta here as well, it will make theta here as well. One angle is 90, another is theta, total is theta. So this is theta minus 34. Total is theta, so this is 34, so this is theta minus 4, answer. Yeah, you can assume CD as on the top as well. It might also ease the problem. Let me try that way as well. AB, CD. Because now it will be a cyclic as well, na? It will be a cyclic as well. ABC 34, CD is equal to BD, CD is equal to BD. Okay. CD is equal to BD. Theta and theta. What is the measure of angle DBC? What is the measure of angle DBC? Basically, they are asking the value of theta only. Basically, they are asking the value of theta only. So, this is the diameter. This is the diameter. It will subtend 90 degree at the circumference. This is theta. This is 34. So, it is, what do you say? 34 minus theta. 34 minus theta. And if this is theta, this is 180 minus theta. Cyclic quadrilateral. All of the values should be Here it will get cancelled out. Here theta will get cancelled out. I have to apply any other property. One equal chord property was also there, na? One equal chord. Yeah, one equal chord property was also there. Let me see about it. Okay. If you assume it alpha as well, na? No, if total is 34, I am assuming this is theta, then this will become 34 minus theta for sure. And CD is equal to BD. CD is equal to BD. So these two are equal. Guys, you can assume alpha as well. Then also you will find out the answer. Okay. 90 plus 180 plus 2 theta. Yeah, Harika. Absolutely. Cone. Diameter is known, height is known. This heap is covered by a canvas. That canvas is nothing but the curved surface area. What is the area required? So curved surface area. What is the area? The curved surface area, pi RL. What is the area required? Pi RL. 22 by 7. What is radius? Diameter 8.4. So radius is 4.2. Only struggle is calculating the L. If you want to check, it should be a multiple of 11. If you want to check, guys, it should be a multiple of 11. This is also. This is not. This is also. This is not. 50-50. 50-50, guys. Now you can check the multiple of 2 and 3 as well. But there is a decimal involved as well. Now you have to take care of that. So multiple of 2 and 3 is this. This is not multiple of 2 and 3. Answer. This is the highest possible, guys, risk we can take. Otherwise, L is radius is 4.2 and height is 1.75. What is the slant height? I can bet if you go in the deep, it will be definitely a triplet. (34:84) simplify. 35:84 simplify by 7, 5:12. Yeah, 5:12, guys. So it's a triplet of 5, 12, 13. It's a triplet of 5, 12, 13. It's a triplet of 5, 12, 13. So slant height is 12 is given. What is the value of 13? 13 by 12 of 4.2. Over and out. Over and out, guys. Over and out. 7 6 ja. 6 2 ja. 2 is 21. So it is 22 into 13 into 21 divide by 100. Unit digit of 6. Unit digit of 6. I think this will become 6006. Divide by 100. So answer is 60.06. But with that risk, you can do it in less than a minute. But the risk what we have taken initially, you can do it in less than a minute. Next. AB is the diameter, CD is the chord such that ABCD is the trapezium. Just do it fast. AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. CD is the chord. CD is the chord such that ABCD is the trapezium. In trapezium, these two sides are parallel. In trapezium, these two sides are parallel. In trapezium, these two sides are parallel. Now, diameter will subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Diameter will subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Angle BAC is also given as 18. What is angle CAD? Okay. What is angle CAD? ABCD. Okay. Angle BAC is 18. What is angle CAD? This. Alpha. Guys, in a trapezium, these sides are parallel. In a trapezium, these sides are parallel. So if this is 18, this is also 18. If this is 18, this is also 18. Okay. What they are asking, what is CAD? Alpha. They are asking the value of alpha. If BC chord has subtended 18 here, it will subtend 18 here as well. So alpha plus 108 plus 18 is equal to 180. Alpha plus 126 is 180. So alpha is 54. Perfect. Alpha is 54. If this BC chord or arc has subtended 18 here, it will subtend 18 here as well. And why these two are equal? These two are equal by the property of parallel lines. These two are equal by the property of parallel lines. Alpha 18, 19 plus 18, all should be equal to 180. And alpha is equal to 54 is your answer. Alpha is equal to 54 is your answer. When I have done it some days ago, I think I have used a different logic. Today, this is coming naturally to me. So I am doing it by this logic here. होता है ना कभी कभी कोई logic आता है आपका फिर someday other logic comes. Geometry is very natural, guys. Instinctive. Geometry is a instinct subject. Instinct. What is coming to you naturally? Algebra is more formula, but geometry is very instinctive subject. You can find, yeah, alternate angles I've used. Alternate jaws I've used alternate angles, yeah. It is, I think, a observation question. Because you can't maybe making it by formula. From 12, you cannot make it 16. At 12, you cannot make it 16. So it's an observation, I think. So on taking A as 4, it will satisfy. On taking 4, it will satisfy. On taking A is equal to 4, it will satisfy. So 4 ka square plus 16 by 4 ka square. 4 ka square, 16 by 16. And 4 was a natural choice as well. 4 was a natural choice as well. Why it was a natural choice? Because all options are integer. All options are integer. So I have to get rid of this fraction. And this fraction can be get rid only by, this fraction can be get rid only if this is a kind of a multiple of 4 or multiple of 8. Yeah. So either 4 or 8 or 16. Either 4 or 8 or 16. For 4, it should be 2 chi square. For 8, nothing. For 16, it should be 4 chi square. It is very instinctive as well, yeah? Next. These are signs of angle. This is equal to, today I told the typist that this is not the way of making the angle sign. So he might be making it correctly from the next class. He might be making it correctly from the next class. Side AB and AC. Side AB and AC are produced to point D and E such that angle of bisector CBD and BCE meet at a point P. This is called as X center. This is called as X center. And X center is 90 minus angle A by 2. Angle P is the 90 minus angle A by 2. Yeah. And X center angle P is 90 minus A by 2. So 90, what is A? A is 78 by 2. 78 by 2 is, I think, 39. So answer is maybe 51. Is it in the option? Yeah. One more case is there when the internal angle bisectors meet. When the internal angle bisectors meets, then angle Q is 90 plus angle A by 2. The most famous question. The most famous questions, guys. So 90 plus A by 2, 90 minus A by 2, it's over and out. It's 90 plus A by 2, 90 minus A by 2, it's over and out. Let's move on. Guys, this count can be different from the actual count, okay? Don't go on the numbers. Don't go on the numbers. Count can be little bit very more, yeah? Count can be quite more as well. Because after a certain point of time, you will see random numbers of the question is coming. Because from 3 different PPTs, there was a 5th question in every PPT. Like, so how can I place 5th, 5th at same time? square it once. Root 7 का square minus 2, 5. Cube it now. Cube it now. A cube minus 3a. 1, 110. That was just to increase the count. That was just to increase that count. Let's move on. We have done it, I think, some days ago. We have done it some days ago. Quickly like and share the sessions, guys. If you're liking our efforts, 19, 18, 20, like 19, 20, 21, it's a great effort, guys, created by us. Just for your compilation, just for your benefits, so that you can have a great revision. Examinations are near. Decrease the power. Decrease the power. A square plus 1 upon a square is add to take square root. Add to take square root. Root 52. And root 52 is 13 into 4. So 2 root 13. Now, from here make it a plus 1 upon a. From here make it a plus 1 upon a. So 2 root 13 plus 2, add 2 take square root. Add 2 take square root. So a plus 1 upon a is basically root of 2 root 13 plus 1. A plus 1 upon a is basically a plus 1 upon a is 2 root 13 plus 1. Now from a plus 1 upon a to finding a cube plus 1 upon a cube is cube of this number. Okay, when you do the cube of any surd, like root a ka cube, so root a ka cube is a root a, na? Root a ka cube is a root a. So if you do the cube of this surd, it is going to be one without surd and another with surd. I hope you have got my point, my way of delivery, my way of perception. Have you observed my way of perception? If you cube root a, it will become a root a. So it will also become a root a. It will also become a root a. So a cube minus 3a minus 3. A cube minus 3a. So this cube is there, minus 3a. And a is same, root 2 root 13 plus 1. So root 2 13 plus 1. Take root 2 root 13 plus 1 as common. So 2 root 13 plus 1 minus 3 will remain. So this is across all the four sides. So all the difference is over here. All the difference is over here. It is 2 root 13 plus 2 minus 3, or you can say 2 root 13 minus 1. 2 root 13 minus 1. Here, not here. Here, but not in the plus. Yeah, plus can come from not anywhere. 2 root 13 minus 1, but here it is not. Answer. Please do see it. Please do see it, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Everyone, guys, is it perfect or not? x cube plus 1 upon x cube is a cube minus 3, है ना? A was 2 root 13 plus 1 का whole cube minus 3 times of 2 root 13 plus 1. Cube 1 will come without side and another will remain with side. Why? Why? I just told you. Because if x is root a, then x cube is a root a. So this you will take common. This inside the root you will take common. And here the positive outside one. Here the outside one. And here the outside one will come in the subtraction. 2 root 13 plus 1 inside the root. And outside the root it is 2 root 13 plus 2 minus 3. That is 2 root 13 minus 1. अब तो perfect है. Now it's perfect. I was knowing that there was some issues going on. Yeah. So all issues recovered. Next. Cylindrical vessel, diameter, partially filled with water. Oh ho! You are dropping a sphere. No, it is pre-sign. You are dropping a sphere. So whatever is the increase in the volume, that should be equal to the increase in the level. We have done this question once before as well. So whenever you are like putting something from outside, so increase in the volume because of that should be equal to the increase in the volume of the existing portion. So because of a sphere, the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Because of a sphere, there is an increase in the volume of the cylinder. Or you can say increase in the height of the cylinder, like this. When you put like this, so if height was initially this, then it will reach this. Change in height is delta h. So pi r square, radius of the cylinder is 16. Pi r square change in height. So we will get what is the change in the height directly. What is the increase in the level of the water? Pi gone. 4 by 3, 12 cross 12 cross 12 is equal to 16 cross 16 delta h. 4 4 ja, 4 3 ja, 3 3 ja, 4 3 ja, 4 4 ja, 4 4 4 3 ja. Delta h is 9. Change in the height is 9. Is it in the options? Why not? If we will do it, it has to be in the options. Quickly like. Quickly like and share the session as well, guys. Quickly like and share as well. Quickly can share the session as well, okay? Have you got it? Change in height is 9. Because of a sphere, let the height of the cylinder is increasing by delta h. So this question is coming, guys, in mains. Yeah, that's a really good sign. This question is coming in pre. That's a really good sign, guys. That's a really good sign for pre students. ABC 2P. Reflex. A cyclic quadrilateral is drawn in a circle with center O. ABCD. Cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral, guys. All four vertices on the circle. Chalo. Well done. Well done. A and C are joined to O. AC differently joined. OC differently joined. It is not necessarily a straight line. It is not necessarily a straight line. If any one of you is assuming as a straight line, you can have the dhoka. Yeah. Okay. So ABC. ABC is 2P. And angle ADC is 3P. You know, in cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite is 180. So 5P is 180. So P is 36. So 3P is 72 and this is 108. The central angle is a double of this. Okay. So you will say, sir, if what? Just a minute. इसको थोड़ा tilted बनाते हैं. Let's make it little bit tilted. If this angle is 72, this is double of it. 144. And similarly, if this angle is 108, this is double of it. That is 20216. If you observe it from an AC point of view, if this angle is 72, it is double of it, 74. And if you observe it, guys, from this AC point of view, this is 108, so its central angle is 216. Reflex means greater than 180. Reflex means greater than 180. So greater than 180 angle is 216. Reflex means greater than 180. Reflex angles are the angles which are greater than 180, because this is also AOC and this is also AOC. One is a normal angle, another is a reflex angle. Got my point? This is also AOC in a normal manner, and this is AOC in a reflex manner. Got it? You can find out this reflex also as, sir, 360 minus 144. After calculating 144, you can calculate this reflex as 360 minus normal angle. 360 minus 144 is 216. Is it perfect? Is it perfect? Next. Quickly, guys, once again, just take a minute off and do the sharings again. Just take a minute off, guys, and do the sharings again. because we are only half done as of now. And you know that it will become very difficult for me to stay motivated for the next 1.5 hours as well without some interactions. Just take out some time and do the sharings once more. ABCD are the chords of the circle. ABCD chords of a circle when produced. ABCD chords of the circle when produced meet at a point P. Meet at a point P. AB 6.3, BP 4.5, CD 3.6, and PD is let's suppose X. Okay, what is the property? PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. The property is PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Always. What is PA? I think 10.8. What is PB? 4.5. What is PC? PC is X plus 3.6. And what is PD? X. Oh, go for value puttings. Go for value puttings, guys. Go for value puttings. Then only you can get the answer. There is a twist and turn over here as well. A knowledge of factors. A knowledge of factors. Like, if I'm going to assume this as 3.1, it will become 6.7. How will it simplify? If I am going to take it 3.5, it will become 7.1. It will become 7.1. It is difficult to get simplify. So first I am going for these two. I have a huge trust over these two first. I have a huge trust over these two first because they also are the multiples of 3. They also are the multiples of 3. So I am showing my trust over them first. So 10.8 into 4.5. Let's suppose X is 5.4. Let's suppose X is 5.4. Then 5.4 plus 3.6 is I think 9. This is doing it 2 times and 4.5 into 2 is 9. 9 is equal to 9. My trust was absolutely bang on. Look at the analogies what I have created. Look at the analogies, guys, I have created. What I have done, what I have created, I have created the analogies like this. They have to be equal to each other as well. No? They have to be equal to each other as well. If I take it 3.1, it will become 7.1. How can it simplify? 7.51 will not cancel out anyone else. If I take it 6.1, it will become 6.7. 6.7 cannot simplify anyone. 6.7 cannot simplify anyone. 5.4, definitely there is a probability. 10.8 into 4.5. If you take it 5.4, then it will become 9. And this is 5.4. And 5.4 can simplify this 2 times. So 9 is equal to. Got it or not, my dear? क्या A है answer? I'm repeatedly calculating D and why are you saying A? They are asking the PD, na? And PD we have assumed as X. What is happening, dear? What is happening? Perfect now? Perfect? I have taken PA correctly, 10.8. I have taken PB correctly, 4.5. I have taken PC correctly, 3.6 plus X. I have taken PD correctly. Obviously, yaar, it is correct. No if and but. No if and but. Now, what is the calculative one? If you observe like this, if you think like me, what is there? If you think like me, I avoided the two options. I avoid and God promise I was not aware of the answer. Neither I have solved it before. Neither I was aware of the answer, neither I have solved it before. It was very natural. It was very natural. Why would I go for 3.5? 3.5 plus 3.6 is 7.1. How will it simplify? 3.1, 6.7. How will it cancel out each other? Now session has started. Now, if the strength will get decreased, guys, I might not be able to take all the questions because I then that much not feel that much motivated, huh? Because you know how much difficult it is to take quants naturally. It is one of the guys the difficultest job I've ever done is taking quant naturally. Yeah. Just take a set of 100 questions, solving it live on a TB. Just take a set of 100 questions, guys, and doing it live on a TB. You won't believe, guys, there are a lot of famous ones, but none of can do this. There are a lot of 100 crore people would be there who would be teaching maths, but very few can do this. Very few can do this. Very, very few. You can count it on the numbers. Like 1 or 2 or 3 out of 100. If this number is divisible by 88, if this number is divisible by 88, divisible by 8 and 11 as well. Even guys, I'm also like, I always say about 99% accuracy, never told about 100% accuracy. Never say about 100% accuracy. Divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. 8 5 ja 40. 8 8 ja 64. So B is 4. If B is 4, then 8A 5 1 4 6 4. Divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. 8 8 plus 5 13. 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 minus 6 plus 1 7 plus A should be divisible by 11. 14 minus A should be divisible by 11. A is 3. A is 3. A is 3. So what is B ki power A? Because if A is 3, then 11 is divisible by 11. So what is B ki power A? 4 ki power 3, 64. 4 ki power 3, 64. 4 ki power 3, 64. Next. Oh, this is pretty easy. This is pretty easy. Obviously degree. Obviously degree. Sum of all angles is 180. 8x minus 15. 6x minus 11. 4x minus 10 is 180. 18x minus 25, 26, 36. Why not simplify by 18 overall? Yeah. Why not simplify by 18 overall? X minus 2 is equal to 10. X is 12. Innovative. Innovative. Yeah. Simplify by 18 overall. 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 18 1 ja 18. X minus 2 is 10, so X is 12. Let's move on. You have to keep sec as an integer. You have to keep sec as an integer. You have to keep sec theta as an integer because this is a square, a rational number. This is a rational number. You have to keep this as rational as well. And cos is 1 by 2 at 60. So sec is 2 at 60. Go for 60 first. Go for 60 first. 99.9% it will satisfy. 99.9% it will satisfy. Answer. 1060 root 3. Sec 62. 3 plus 10, 13. If they are asking the angle, then it will 100% satisfy. If they are asking the angle, then it will 100% satisfy, guys. Always rational square. Rational, it has to be rational as well. Sec has three famous values. One is root 2, another is 2 by root 3, and another is 2. Only one of them is rational, which is 2. So go for theta is equal to 60 degree. Go for theta is equal to 60 degree. Angles, these are angles, na? These are angles. ABC, AD is a perpendicular to BC. Obviously, these all questions are CGL 2021. Obviously, these all questions are CGL 2021. ABC, AD is the perpendicular to BC. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular to BC. AE is the bisector. AE is the bisector of BAC. Oh, that famous one. Are they asking DAE? Yeah. What is that famous one? Angle man. Angle man is B minus C divided by 2. So angle D, it still comes in SSC, guys. Angle B minus angle C divided by 2. Angle B minus angle C divided by 2. Angle B 58. Angle C 34 divided by 2. So, guys, they still comes in SSC. Yeah. So good to know about it. So good to know about it that they still comes in the SSC. Obviously, we have done its proof infinite many times. Multiple times. Yeah, we have done its proof multiple times. We have done its proof multiple times. Plus 3 only. Plus 3. If x is root 9, then x is plus 3 minus 3, no. Not minus 3, guys. Not minus 3. Okay. If x square is 9, Then there are two values of x, +3 and -3. Degree is 2, so two solutions. Degree is 2, so two solutions. However, if x is √9, degree is 1, so one solution. X is equal to +3. And if this is a positive number, how can x can be a negative number? Huh? This is a positive number, na? How x can be -3? No issues. It happens. It happens only because of degree. ये करा दिया क्या? What is this? Wonder. I'm getting an intuition. There might be option wrong. Or this might be degree. This is the intuition I'm getting. My typo. This 2021 shifts has done the maximum error. This 2021 is a non-maths background, I think. In a circle with center O, AC and BD are the two chords. AC and BD meets at E. Oh, AC, BD. ACBD meet at point E. Oh, AB is the diameter. Chalo. Update a diagram little bit more. AB is the diameter. Angle AEB is known, 36. What is doc? Theta. What is doc theta? Okay, what is the use of diameter I am making? The use of diameter I am making that these both are radius. Alpha 180 minus alpha. Beta 180 minus 2 beta. So from one equation I've created that sum of these three should be 180. From one equation I've created that sum of these three should be 180. Always ask yourself, guys, that what is the use have you done of the information? So 180 plus theta is equal to 2 times of alpha plus beta. 180 plus theta is equal to 2 times of alpha plus beta. And from this bigger triangle, alpha plus beta plus 36 is 180. So alpha plus beta is 144. 180 plus theta is 2 times of 144. 180 plus theta is 288. So theta is 108 degree. Always ask a question to yourself. What is the use of diameter have you done? You have done the use of diameter as radius, radius. Alpha, alpha, 180 minus 2 alpha. Radius, radius. Beta, beta, 180 minus 2 beta. So 180 minus 2 alpha plus theta plus 180 minus 2 beta is equal to 180. 180 plus theta is equal to 2 times of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta plus 36 is 180. Alpha plus beta plus 36 is 180. Alpha plus beta plus 36 is 180. Alpha plus beta 144. So in this equation, put alpha plus beta as 144. Is it absolutely fine? Is it absolutely fine, dear? Come on, tell. Come on, tell, guys. Next, next. Guys, I'm just coming, yeah, in 1 minute. Chalo, let's do this first, then I will go. Then I will go. It's looking quite a innovative one. I hope yeah, it is correct. First thing is that it should be correct. It would be correct, guys, but it would be correct, but something fishy is coming in my mind. Do you know, guys, something fishy needed to be done? Because on dividing by k cube, the work will not be over. On dividing by k cube, the work would not be over. You have to make it quadratic. Assume k cube as y. So k की power 6 is y square. Product 16, sum 15. Product 16, sum 15. Yeah. Product 16, sum or difference 15. So obviously 8y square plus 16y minus 2 is 0. 8y, y plus 2 minus 1, y plus 2 is 0. Y plus 2 or 8y minus 1 is 0. From one, y is negative. From another, y is 1 by 8. From one, y is negative. Another is y is equal to 1 by 8. And y is equal to k cube. So I'm going for this because it's looking a perfect cube. Because it's looking a perfect cube. So y means k cube is 1 by 8. So k is cube root of 1 by 8. K is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 inverse is 2, 2.5. Wow. 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 So this much presence of mind can also be required sometimes. Yeah, this much presence of mind can also be required. Now I'm coming, guys. I am leaving at 16. It has to be 17 when I will come back. I'm just coming back in a minute. I'm just coming back in a minute. Okay. Well done, Charlie. Very well done. ABCD is the cyclic quadrilateral. AC and BC intersect. AC and BD intersect at point P. Oh, do you remember, guys, we have done this kind of question? Do you remember we have done this kind of question before as well? AB is equal to AC. So theta is equal to theta. Angle BAC is 48. So it is given. It is basically given 48. AB is equal to, AB is given equal to AC. So bit of correction, ABCD. AB is given equal to AC. So theta and theta. Theta and theta. Angle ADC is X. I think for this X, this theta is required. So 48 plus 2 theta is equal to 180. So 2 theta is 132. Theta is 66. Theta is 66. What is angle ADC? It's a cyclic quadrilateral. So 180 minus angle B. So 180 minus 66 is 114. It was a normal one, guys. It was a normal one. I would not say that it's a huge one. However, not a bad one as well. I would not say huge one, but not a bad one as well. Okay. First thing is, you have to make use of equal sides, equal angle, apply the triangle property, find out theta. If this angle is known, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. If this is a cyclic quadrilateral, then this is 180 minus theta. So 180 minus theta is the answer getter. 180 minus theta is the answer getter. Z square. ये माइनस की जगह कहीं प्लस ना हो डियर. मतलब अब let's see, guys. We are taking it as correct. We are taking it this as correct. However, hardly any question has come incorrect, but we are assuming that this is correct. So X plus Z is equal to Y. So pretty easily I can assume the values 1, 1 and 2. Pretty easily I can assume the values 1, 1 and 2. Y is 2 ka square 4 upon 2xz 1 into 1. X is 1, 2yz, 2y is 2, z is 1. Z is 1 is 2 into x is 1. 4 by 2, 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 2 minus 2 by 4, or you can say 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. X plus Z is equal to Y. If you assume X is 1, Z is 1, then Y will come 2. Put these values, you will get the answer as 3 by 2. Put these values, you will get the answer as 3 by 2. Ivan, where have you done the error? Where have you done the error? This is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Well done, Harish. Well done, Vipin. Well done, Harish. Well done, Bipin. Quickly like and share the sessions as well, guys. You know we are working very, very hard for you. Yeah, it's definitely not the 16th question. It would be near about 46, yeah. It is definitely not the 16th question. It would be near about 46. Pretty easy. I'm not going to waste any time. Angle of elevation is 30. So 1 root 3, 2 is the ratio. 1 root 3, 2 is the ratio. 1 root 3, 2 is the ratio. Tower height is given as 110 root 3. 1 is given as 110 root 3. Then what is the distance of the point P from the foot of the tower? What is the distance of the point P from the foot of the tower? Root 3. So 100 root 3 into root 3 is 300. What? Okay, 110. 110. Pretty easy, pretty easy. Quickly, guys, like and share. Those who have done the sharings can also do the liking part as well, guys. If you are liking it, if you are learning it. If that is not the case, then no issues. If that is not the case, then no issues. Next. Okay. Perfect. If you square it once, it will become 4x square. On squaring, a minus b ka square is also a square plus b square. A square minus 2 coefficients. What is coefficients? Okay, from minus, if you're doing it plus, then it is plus, yeah? From minus, guys, if you're doing the squaring, then it is plus. The coefficients are 2 and 3. 4 plus 12. 16. 16. Now square it once again. Square it once again. So it will give you the answer. It will give you the answer. It is 16 ka square plus 2 times of coefficients. Coefficients are 4 and 9. 256 plus 72. 8. Is it in the options? Why not? If we are conceptually correct, it has to be in the options. Hey, what you have done? Should I need to cross check it? Oh, plus. Okay, from positive to positive, it is minus, yeah. Oh, from positive to positive, it is minus, yeah. From positive to positive, it is minus. 256 minus 32, it's 184. Yeah, well done, yeah. Well done for identifying this. Well done for identifying this. Because from plus to plus, it has to be a square minus 2. a square minus 2 into coefficients. A square minus 2 into coefficients 4 and 9. A square minus 2 coefficients 4 into 9. Okay. And from minus 2 plus, it was a square plus 2 into coefficients. It was a square plus 2 coefficients. It is a square plus 2 coefficients. Okay. I hope everything is crystal clear. Crystal clear. Very good. Very good. Well done. Well done. These have no importance now. Area of circle inscribed in 784. 28 ka square. Side of the square is 28. Area of the circle. Radius is half of the side. Radius is half of the side, 14. Answer. Radius is half of the side, that is 14. And what is pi r square for side is equal to 14? What is pi r square for side is equal to 14? 616. Yeah, I remember it literally. I remember it, guys, literally. For the radius of 7, area is 154. For the radius of 14, the radius is 4 times 616. If it can save a second, then what is a big deal in it? Then what is bad in it? Here. I literally remember it. Next. This is from 2017 mains. It was asking the use of cos C minus cos D upon sin C plus sin T. It is asking the use of cos C minus cos D upon sin C plus sin T. Cos C minus cos D is 2 sin C plus D by 2. Sin C minus D, sin D minus C by 2. Sin D minus C by 2. And sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. If you ask, guys, I will write down all the formulas. However, I have not revised them for quite months now, but I can write down. I have certain things remembered. So 2 sin 90 sin 100 by 250, 2 sin 50 cos 30, gone, sin 91, 1 upon cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Do you want to write them down, guys? Otherwise, in the pre's, we have not seen it. In the pre 19, 20, 21, we have not seen it. If you are interested, guys, I can write down. Otherwise, we can skip this for this moment. Otherwise, we can skip this for this moment. Yeah, let's move on. Okay, Charlie, then I will definitely be writing it down. Just finding out the time. Just finding out the time. So till now, it's not, I'm feeling not too much of fatigued. However, 2 hours 15 minutes is hardly I take this much long classes. But stay motivated. I am motivated, guys. I hope you too. Sin 3x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 2. It happens at 30 degree. It happens at 30 degree. It happens at 30 degree, guys. It happens at 30 degree. So x is 15. What is the value of cos square? 2x means 30. Cos square 45 plus cot square 30. Cos 45 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 ka square is 1 by 2. Cot 30 is root 3 ka square 3, 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Start from sin C plus sin D. Very, very simple. 2 sin C plus D by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. Sin is a very genuine person. Sin is a very genuine person. Positive is coming. Take the positive. Oh, just a minute. Just a minute. Take the positive and give the negative to cos. It's okay, okay. Yeah, it's okay, okay. And sin always keep cos with him. And sin always keep cos with him. Okay? It never leaves behind. It never leaves cos away. Sin C minus sin D. If negative is coming, take negative by your own. Take negative by your own and give the positive to cos. Sin is a very genuine person. Sin is a very genuine person. Negative comes, take negative by your own, give the positive to cos. If positive comes, take the positive by own over its own and give the negative to cos. And it never leaves cos. And it never leaves cos alone. And it's never leave cos alone. It always keep cos with him. Whereas cos is not such a great friend. He is opportunist. Whenever the positive comes, he comes both way. He comes both way. Okay, for cos C minus D, D minus C both are same. Because cos of minus theta is theta. Cos of minus theta is theta. When negative comes, he send the sign. Bhai tu ja tu dekh le. When negative comes, he send the sign. So it is 2 sin C plus D by 2. Okay, some people remember it as C minus D by 2. If you remember this as C minus D by 2, then you have to take the negative over here. If you remember it as C minus D by 2, then you have to take the negative outside. If you remember it as C minus D by 2, then you have to take the negative outside. However, if you remember it as D minus C, then you can keep it positive. Now it is your choice, my dear. Just tell me as of now what you are going to remember. Just tell me as of now what you are going to remember. If you remember it C minus D by 2, then here it comes the negative as well. However, if you remember it as C plus D, then here it will come D minus C by 2. Okay. You are testing, guys, all my skills, huh? You are testing all my skills. You are making me remember the things which I have used years and years ago, huh? But that is really great. That is great for the improvement. That is great for the improvement. That is only possible because of guys working very hard on maths, huh? Working very hard on maths. once I joined the education industry in 16, 17, I never had a second thought. I had a second thought only before joining it, but not after joining it. How many small spheres, each of radius 5 mm, can be made out of? Acha, units are different. Wow, take care of the units as well. Metallic solid cone. Cone is 1 by 3 pi r square. Millimeter is a smaller unit. Millimeter is a smaller unit, okay? Okay. Guys, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay? 1 meter is 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. And 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. And 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So, centimeter I can convert into mm. Centimeter I can convert into mm by multiplying by 10. Over and out. Over and out. Radius of 210 ka square into height of 300 is equal to cone. Let n spheres can be made 4 by 3 pi r cube. Tens digit of 6. Tens digit of 6. However, some of you might ask, sir, why have you not gone for this? Because it is looking to me as above 21,000. Because it is looking to me as above 21,000. So why would I go for 18,000? I would have gone for 26,000 next. Divisible by 36, divisible by 9 and 4. Divisible by 9 and 4. Divisible by 9 and 4. For y is equal to 1. Okay, largest possible value of y. Start from 9. 98 not divisible by 4. Go for 8. 88 divisible by 4. So y is equal to 8 is the correct value. So y is equal to 8 is the correct value because we have to begin from the largest possible value of y. So we begin from y is equal to 9. 9 is not satisfying. 8 is satisfying. So 7x 7 9 2 5 1 y is 8 8. It has to be divisible by 9 as well. It has to be divisible by 9 as well. What is the rule for 9? The rule for 9 is avoid 9 and then check the sum of the digits. Avoid 9, avoid 9, avoid 9, then check the sum. 12 plus 8, 20 plus x should be divisible by 9. So x comes out to be 7. 20 plus x should be divisible by 9. So x comes out to be 7. So x is 7. What is the value of 10x square minus 3y square? So they are doing innovation every year. They are doing innovation every year by just a bit. X का square is 7 का square. Y का square is 8 का square. 490 minus 192. 190 होता 300, 300 से 2 छोटा 298. If this would be 190, answer would be 300, but 2 more, so answer is 2 less. If this would be 190, answer would be 300, but it is 2 more, so answer is 2 less. 298 is the correct answer. 298 is the correct answer. Now I started bit fatigued. A little bit. A and B are the two prime numbers such that A is greater than B. A and B are the two prime numbers such that their A is greater than B and their LCM is 209. Acha. A and B are two prime numbers. Guys, the LCM of the prime numbers is their product. The LCM of the prime numbers is their product. Wow. LCM of the prime numbers is their product because there is nothing common which you can take common. So LCM is 209 means this product is also 209. Just think of some values. 19 into 11. And both are prime as well. Well done, Charlie. 19 into prime. So A is 19, B is 11. What is A square minus B? 19 ka square minus 11. It's 361 minus 11. 350. So different questions is being asked. I cannot deny this point. I can't deny this point that different questions has been asked in 2021. Are you able to feel this? Some innovation was there. First is dipping question was asked. Dipping a figure. What is the rise in the level? Another is in the number system. Different divisibilities is being asked. And then later on try to make a complex one out of it. Just to make you do some calculation errors. So these are the few changes what we can feel. Now it's really becoming. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. D is a point on BC. Such that angle ADC, theta. is equal to angle BAC. Oh my God. Can anyone identify this question? Can anyone identify this question? This is a question of similarity. Whenever two angles are given equal, the only way of doing it is by doing it with similarity. The only way of doing it is by doing it with similarity. Now, what you can do more? I think you will make ADC similar to BAC. So make angle C common. Make angle C common. This is theta. This is common. So this angle is triple angle in the smaller triangle. In the bigger triangle, this is theta. This is double. So this is triple angle. Guys, it's a repeated one. Do you know? This question is in CGL 21 and I have seen 100% seen this question in CPU 2018. Anyone agree with me over this? 100%. 100%. Look at the repetition between the examinations. Look at the repetition between the examination. 100%. Those who are like dedicated, too much dedicated, they would be knowing this. Those who are too much dedicated would be knowing this. Okay. CA 12. CD 8. What is CB? Okay, CB is side opposite to single angle in a bigger triangle. Single angle, bigger triangle. What is side opposite to single angle in a smaller triangle? 12. What is side opposite to single angle in a bigger triangle in a smaller triangle? 8. In a bigger triangle in a smaller triangle. Single angle. Double. Double here is this. In the smaller, double is this. In the bigger, double is of no use. Double is of no use. Go for triple. In the bigger, triple is 12. And in the smaller, triple opposite is 8. This is from single angle. This is from triple angle. Perfect. Oh my God. Perfect here. Perfect. Single angle in a bigger triangle. Single angle in a bigger triangle. Total is BC. Single angle in a smaller triangle. Opposite is 12. Triple angle in a bigger triangle. Opposite is 12. And triple angle in a smaller triangle. Opposite is 8. And triple angle in a smaller triangle. Opposite is 8. I know. In live, you will feel it difficult. In live, you will feel it difficult, but since we have done it now, so you can do the similar question if asked again. Next, only putting values, so done. Only putting values, so done. What is this? Or let me have to see from here. This is quite a cat oriented. This is quite a cat oriented. Is it A plus B by B only, or some use of C would also be there? If the HCF of, if the highest common factor of 13A, 13B and 13C is 13, can I say A, B, C are co-prime to each other? Can I say A, B, C are co-prime to each other? That is why they are not disturbing the HCF. Because if numbers are co-prime, then their highest common factor is 1. So they are not coming in the HCF. That is the only reason. 13A, 13B, 13C, HCF is still 13 because A, B, C are co-prime. Now, when three numbers are co-prime like 7, 11, 13, then their LCM is like 7 into 11 into 13. The LCM of the co-prime numbers is their product. The LCM of the co-prime numbers is their product. The LCM of the co-prime numbers is their product. Yeah. So the LCM of the co-prime numbers ABC is A into B into C. Okay. Where ABC are each less than 60. Okay. So one thing is missing or what? Each less than 60. Is one thing is missing or what? I think okay. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay. Okay. The HCF of this is the HCF of this is also 13. The HCF of this is also 13. The HCF of this is also 13. So A, B, C are the multiples of ABC are the multiples of 13. ABC are the multiples of 13. ABC are the multiples of 13. Yeah. ABC are the multiples of 13. Then only their individual HCFs can be. Then only their individual, each and every HCF can be 13. So ABC are the multiples of 13. And you have to take the multiples in such a manner that these ABC are like not something that okay. So if I take A as 13, 13 HCF is 1. If I take is this 26, 13 26 HCF is still 13 because this is 1 and 2. If I take this as 39, then 13 39 HCF is still 13. What about if I take it 52? What about if I take it 52? HCF is still what do you say? 13. Because that is 13 into 1 and that is 13 into 4. That is 13 into 1 and 13 into 4. But this is 13 into 1 and this is 13 into 2 and this is 13 into 3. Okay. So A is 13, B is 26, C is 39. Now A is different, na? A is different. So start from 26, 39, 52. Start from 26, 39, 52. Because A is different from 13. A is different from 13. A is different from 13. So what is A plus B divided by C? 26 plus 39 divided by 52. This is becoming 9 plus 6, 15. And this is becoming what? One point something is coming. What is that? Now this is looking the perfect logic. So maybe the question might be A plus B divided by B only. Maybe the question might be A plus B divided by B only. Let's try for that. Let's try for that. It is 2 by 3 plus 1. I need to cross check it, guys. I need to cross check it. Yeah, question can be A plus C divided by B as well. Question can be A plus C divided by B as well. Oh! Guys, everyone got it? Everyone got it or some more discussion required? Everyone got it or some more discussion required? Because the 13 A, B, C are 4 distinct numbers as well. So I cannot take A as 13. I cannot take A as 13. I have to begin from 26, 39, 52. I have to maintain less than 60 as well. So only 3 possibilities. Only 3 possibilities. 26, 39, 52. HCF of 13, 26 is 13. HCF of 13, 39 is also 13. 13, 52 is also 13. So A is 26, B is 39, C is 52. A is 26, B is 39, C is 52. Then only I can maintain each and every HCF is 11. If I don't take the multiple of 13 over here, then each HCF will not come 13. If I don't take the multiples of 13 over here, then each HCF will not come 13. That is the point. Each HCF will not come 13. Okay. 26, 39, 52. They are asking A plus C divided by B. They are asking A plus C divided by B. Good one, yeah. Good one. After a long time. After a long time, guys. Good one. So we are going to wind up now, guys. We are going to wind up now in the few seconds. 13 because A I have to keep different from 13. Vipin. 13 A, B, C are 4 distinct numbers. There was the importance of each and every word. So I cannot take A as 13. No is constant term. So take it in the ratio. Sin theta upon cos theta is in the ratio 4:5. Sin theta and cos theta is in the ratio 4:5. Directly put sin theta 4, cos theta 5. However, I know they are not greater than 1. However, I know they are not greater than 1. I'm putting them in the ratio 5 into 4 plus 5. 20 plus 10 divided by 25, 30 by 25, it's 6 by 5 if it is there. No, if it is not there, then that is our correct answer. Yeah, there might be something over there. माइनस कर दें इसको तो whatever guys, whatever, it does not create too much of impact. It does not create that much of impact. You know what to do. Yeah, you know what to do. Yeah, you know what to do. This typist के थोड़ा सा क्लास लगाना पड़ेगा इसका. Why he is doing that much of silly things? Yeah. Why he is doing that much of silly things? 2 cos. Okay. Minus में ना, minus में, because otherwise it will get cancelled out. He is not good at symbols. In a triangle ABC, D and E are the points on side BC. Such that AD is equal to AE. Such that AD is equal to AE. Alpha. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAE. Beta. AB is 2P plus 3. BD is 2P. AC is 3Q minus 1. And CE is Q. What is P plus Q? What is P plus Q? Have anyone got the answer? Let me check. Is it perfect or not? Is the question is perfect, guys? Now started feeling the heat. Guys, if this is alpha, this is 180 minus alpha. And this is also 180 minus alpha. Guys, in any triangle, my dear, if two angles are equal, then the third is also automatically equal. If this is beta, this is 180 minus alpha, this is 180 minus alpha, then third is automatically equal. So can I say this is an isosceline triangle? Can I say this is an isosceline triangle? In isosceline triangle, these two sides are equal. So 3q minus 1 is equal to 2p plus 3. Okay. Now, if this is isoscaline, then it is also isoscaline, visibly alpha and alpha. In any isoscaline, when you draw a perpendicular, it acts as a perpendicular bisector as well. So these two portions are equal, and these two portions should also be equal. So if these two portions are equal, this means 2p is equal to q as well. 2p is equal to q as well. So I'm putting 2p as q and praying to God that no technical error would be there. Q is 2. If q is 2, then p is 1. Q is 2, sum is 3. If you have any kind of doubts, guys, you can ask me. If you have any kind of doubts, guys, you can ask me. If you have any kind of doubts, guys, you can ask me. The journey began from alpha alpha, 180 minus alpha, beta beta. So another angle is also equal. So these two are isoscaline. Now, if these two are angle, then draw a perpendicular. On drawing a perpendicular, it acts as bisector as well. These two portions equal. In the bigger is also isoscaline, so these two portions are equal. If these two parts are equal and total is equal, then these two remaining parts are also equal. Answer. Crystal clear? Thank you very much, guys. Now, can I wind up? Or some more? Or should we see the last page? Let's move on. In a circle with diameter 20, chords AB and CD are parallel to each other. BC is the diameter. AB and CD are parallel to each other. Sir, since the angles are same, CA and we can take. Yes, Ivan, yes. BC is a diameter, AB parallel to DC. AB is 6. If AB is 6 centimeter from the center. 6. Radius is 10. So this is 8. This is 8. What is the length of chord? Draw a perpendicular on this chord as well. You know this is 10. Okay. Chords are parallel to each other. If they are parallel to each other, then this angle is equal to this angle. And this is vertically opposite angle. Answer would be 16 for sure. But I am having a confusion. Answer would be 16 for sure. But guys, isn't it not necessary to give the distance between them 14? Isn't it not necessary to give the distance between them 14? It's a triplet question basically. It's a triplet question basically. 6, 10, 8, 10, 10, 8, like, or maybe 12 as well. Maybe 12 as well. Parallel. Answer can be 12 as well. Yeah. चलो अब इनके गलतियां हैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस में. Now there are some problems in the few questions. Now there are problems in few questions, so it is better that I should be doing it as because this typist is doing a lot of errors. This typist has done quite few errors in the last, so I have to see it once. Based on this much data, guys, there can be multiple answers. Yeah, based on this much data, there can be multiple answers. I got this shift. Congruent. Yeah, 90, 90. This angle is equal to this because of parallel lines. So they can be congruent triangles, guys. Very well said. They can be congruent triangles. Yeah. They should be congruent triangles. What? Congruent triangles. All the three angles are equal. But all the three angles are equal means they can be congruent triangles as well. So if the two sides are exactly similar, then all other sides are also exactly similar. Then all other sides are also exactly similar. Yeah. Then all other sides are also exactly similar. So I'm going for this. I'm just about to reach this question. Yeah, 16 is the answer. 16 is the answer, guys. Congruent triangles. One angle is 90. This angle is also 90. Parallel lines. So alternate interior angles. Third is vertically opposite angle. All the three angles equal. If all the three angles is equal and one corresponding side is also equal, one corresponding side is equal, then rest corresponding sides are also equal. Then rest corresponding sides are also equal. Yeah. Then rest corresponding sides are also equal. Perfect. If all the three angles are equal and one corresponding side equal, 10 and 10, and one corresponding side equal, then all other corresponding sides are also equal. So if this is 10 and 10, this is 6 and 6, and this is 8 and 8. So answer is 16. I think for the first time we have seen this question. For the first time we have done this kind of question. Or maybe we have seen this question in the CGL. Oh. This is doable. I added quite a bit questions here. I will share this PPT, guys. I will share this PPT as well. This is the schedule of Friday. I'm only going to take 5 to 7 session. I'm only going to take 5 to 7 session. Then static GK, Devinder sir is going to take. Sasank sir is going to take your 3 to 5 session. Ankit sir is 2 to 3. Tausif sir 1 to 2, 8 to 10 million sir. Guys, should I increase to advanced math part 4 as well? Doing these questions, remaining one and adding few more. If I take it to advanced math part 5, I think we have still too many days left for arithmetic. If I take it to advanced math part 5 as well, guys, then still after that too much days are remaining for arithmetic. Yeah. This type is do very less error, this green one. We can take his questions live. We can take his questions live. This do very less errors. Yeah. This do very less errors. This is the shift of CGL 2020. This is the shift of CGL 2020. Cot is cos upon sine. Cosec is 1 upon sine. Tan is sine upon cos. Tan is sine upon cos. However, I'm praying that it should be, okay, it would be cube only. It is cos square plus 2 sine theta cos theta. This power will will cancel this power. This power will go and will cancel this power. Cos theta upon sine theta is cot theta into cot square into cos square theta. Sine theta upon cos theta is tan theta into sine square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. What will happen after this? This is 2 sin theta cos theta. This is sin square theta. This is cos square theta. So if this cot and tan would not be there, if this cos and tan would not be there, then we can make it as a perfect square. Then we can make it as a perfect square, isn't it? What did I just said? We can go for value putting as well because all options will give different answers. We can go for value putting as well, guys, because all options will give different answers. We should be going for value putting because all will give different answers. I'm going for 45. Cot 45 1, cosec 45 root 2 का square 2. Tan 45 1, sec 45 root 2 का square 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 1. 1 plus 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. So it's 1 plus 2 by 2. The one which will give 1 plus 1 2 is the answer, is your answer. The one which will give 2 as the answer is your answer. Here it is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, definitely not. Okay. Here it is root 2 into root 2, 2 can be your answer. Here it is root 2 ka square, that is 2 into 2, 4 cannot be your answer. Here it is 1 by root 2 ka square, 1 by 2 into root 2, that is 1 by root 2 is not your answer. So I think all of you have done by value putting as well. All of you have done it by value putting as well. So 2, the Bombay is the correct answer. The B is the correct answer. Cube both sides. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus B. Cube both sides, guys. Cube both sides. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus B. So P cube minus 8Q cube is equal to 3 into 2 into PQ is 5 into 3 is equal to 125. So answer is 125. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB. A minus B. 3 का क्यूब 27. भाई अब तो थोड़ा सा it's becoming errors, unnecessary errors now, only because of what do you say? Thakan, only because of Thakan. Okay. So the efficiency is decreasing now. Efficiency is decreasing now. Can be doable. Value putting. Can be doable. Value putting. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AB, where D is on side AC and this is on the side E. AD x minus 3. AC is total 2x. BE x minus 2. And BC is total 2x plus 3. Corresponding sides. Bigger triangle corresponding. Proportionality, guys. We can go for proportionality as well. The complete of this. Bharat, yeah, today my event was there. Bharat, my event was there. Banking. Today I think that should not be there. Yeah, that should not be there because it's a long debt commitment to here. Okay. So Proportionality, guys, I'm applying AC as 2x, BE as 2x plus 3, and applying the proportionality in these two as well. They should be able to maintain the same ratio with x minus 3 and x minus 2. They should be able to maintain the same ratio. They should be able to maintain the same ratio with x minus 3 and x minus 2. Proportionality concept. The proportionality concept. 2x into x minus 2 should be equal to 2x plus 3 into x minus 3. Simplify. 2x square minus 4x is equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 6x minus 9. The problem is gone. So minus 4x is equal to minus 3x minus 9. Take it to that side. So x is equal to 9. Is it in the options? But Bharat, I can't come now. Yeah, there has to be a... That session need to be cancelled now, Bharat. Because even it was planned before. I have not prepared the content as well. So today is a holiday for banking. Yeah. Today there is a holiday for banking aspirants. Today there is a holiday for banking aspirants. Value putting, leaving. Value putting, leaving. Sin 45, cos 45 are equal. They will cancel out each other. What is this 30? It would be 30. Sin 45, cos 45 are equal. They will cancel out each other. They will cancel out each other. Sin 30, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 ki power 4 is 2 ki power 4, 16. I don't think so. That was the question. I don't think so. That was the question. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, root 3 ki power 4, root 3 by 2 ki power 4 is 3 ka square, 9 by 16. 4 into 8 by 16. It can be. 2 is the answer. 2 is the answer. Sin 45, cos 45 are equal. No, just wait. Sin 45, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 ka square is 1 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 ka square is 1 by 2. So it is basically minus 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. So it is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And 3 by 2 is 1.5. 3 by 2 is 1.5. अब बंद करते हैं भाई. Now it's too much यार. Now silly errors have started happening. Should be closed now. Should be closed now. Okay. Because this silly errors when happens, it consumes a time. So I think with this, we will continue in the advanced. We will continue this in the advanced part. Okay. Minus तो plus हो गया था, I think. Gopinath, minus has become plus. Maybe. Minus has become plus. Yeah. Minus has become plus, I think. Okay. So, thank you very much, guys, for staying for so long. Thank you very much. We'll meet you in the next session. So, I'm going to make it advanced part 4. I'm going to make it advanced part 4. Yeah, I'm going to make it advanced part 4. Okay, 2 sessions. Okay, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Have a great time.